Good morning, YouTube. It's been a minute, man. Feeling like shit the last week after leaving California, but it is what it is. So I'm about to get to two-door shaving today, knock some shit out. So stay tuned. Pop it off. I got the shock absorber for this side because clearly you can see it's pushed in. So I'm gonna turn that back on. Back, got it off. So it was this one, just clearly all the way in. But also, luckily I ought to find one of these. I might just go get a whole nother bumper. So, yeah, because I got the rear bumper guards. Where the hell? At least the fronts. Yeah, the rear one somewhere. Somewhere underneath all this mess. Somewhere. But anyways, so yeah. Pop that damn thing off. I'm gonna pull this one out. Pull this one off right now. And I already got another one of those. Sorry about the camera. I got another one of these shock absorbers. So throw that back in. But I'm not gonna put the bumper back on, so yeah. I'm just gonna go get another bumper. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Go get another bumper. So that's the carpet for my black 4-door 84 back there. So I'm gonna pull the carpet out. Well, the sun's ain't out now. I need to let it sit. So, excuse me, guys. I'm burping. So I'm not gonna do this carpet. Got my battery on the charger for this one because it was dead. Cranked it up earlier. Sounds pretty good. Still need to get transmission lines, so I'm gonna go get that today. Run transmission lines to the intercooler. The transmission cooler. Put some more transmission fluid in it. I'm gonna start driving this baby around. Turn y'all back on. Got it off, man. This thing was, it ain't taking that long, but there's a bit, so clearly y'all just see that bolt broken there. Got it off. Gonna clean it up. Get a wire brush, not set it off. I'm thinking about changing these bushings too. These bottom bushings. You know, just one bolt. Top. I think yeah, top and then trunk. You know, stop all that squeaking. Well, it don't squeak now, but you know, prevent it. So clean up all that. So I know I need to get a dang, I gotta get my camera right. So I need to get a rear bumper filler for this side. This one's pretty good, so I'm still gonna change anyway. So that side. So I'm not gonna put the bumper back on at all. I'm gonna clean this up real good. Yeah, and I've been looking up underneath this damn thing. You know how you don't really look up underneath the car when you're under there, but I be looking. I mean, it's pretty solid, man. It's a pretty clean car. I'm gonna have to change this fuel tank here. Got a little rust. Other than that, like clearly the frame here, you know, but the body here solid. No rust. It's pretty good. Take this rear clip off. Have another one. So I'm finna start priming the front clip. Priming the front clip. Priming the back clip. Get it ready. Try to do a little body work myself. Make sure I got all these wires. Clean up these little wire looms here that's been exposed to the weather. You know, that's how you get shorts. You know, nicks and things. I got a whole lot of tape and loom, so might as well loom them up. Might go ahead and install the sequential lights. So, I mean, I got plans. Got some jewelry for it too, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Sandman Design. But, yeah, man. Happy holiday to everybody, man. Happy holidays. So, yeah, man, let me clean her up, man. Clean up. Get some of the stuff out the way. I'm gonna change the shocks here probably tomorrow. Cause one side, hold on, let me turn y'all back on. Hold on, turn it back. So I had to flip the camera around, so I had to stop. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some shocks. Make sure check all the fluids, coolant, transmission oil, mount the ballistic, cause that's why I wasn't started. I got a brand new MSD, so that's a good thing. Got it running. Charge the battery, run the transmission lines to the transmission cooler. Bleed the brakes. I think I said bleed the brakes. No, I didn't. So bleed the brakes. And yeah, try to put this thing in traffic for Christmas, you know. Been a couple blocks. So I'm gonna leave the bumper off for sure. Until I get everything cleaned up and figure out what I want to do. I got another bumper somewhere. So yeah, man. Yeah. I can do some little small maintenance here. You know, change the brakes, front and back, rear and back. For sure. See them things looking dusty, busty. I might go get new calipers, but I don't know. They're looking real dusty. Looking super dusty, really. Sorry, I got my glasses on. I got dry tears. But yeah, man. Shout out to C10. Look at that, boy. For the keychain. It's the 86 I'm working on. Big Hun-Un on it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, y'all stay true. Deuces.